Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can easily set a password on Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're gonna be in Windows, go to bottom, right click and click settings. Now when you're gonna be here, if this video will be helpful guys, I'm really happy if you would write in the comments that it helped too. So when other people would come here, they would actually see that it's like working. Now right when you're going to be here, you want to click simply on account, and then in account you want to click on the sign in options. And I already have a password, but if you're not going to have a password, you can simply click here on a password and you're going to have like add here. You can also add a security key if you have, or PIN. So that's something you can actually do. So you just like come here and add a password. You would have it right here. So thank you very much guys. Have a great day and goodbye. And again, this is how you can set a password on Windows 11. Also write down below in the comments if this video was helpful. See ya.